Hi, I'm Joseph from Joseph Does a Thing. In today's video, I'll be making apple crumble. Apple crumble is really easy to make and really good when you want to whip something up really quickly. In the first part of this Noob Cooking episode, I am going to try the apple crumble and I'm going to make another apple crumble so then you guys can see how I made it. Usually I serve apple crumble in a little bowl. I eat it with vanilla ice cream. So now I'm going to try the apple crumble. Already it tastes great, especially with the ice cream. The ice cream really drowns out the sour taste of the Granny Smith apples. Apple crumble is really great for a dessert. The downside of making apple crumble takes around about 30 to 50 minutes to cook in the oven. Sometimes I check after about 40 minutes and the apples are still kind of crunchy. You don't want crunchy apples. It tastes really bad. Let's see how I cook this for long enough. This might even be crunchy. No, it's soft on the inside. I don't know, it's like... Hang on, it's not grabbing focus on me. There we go. No, not me. Grab focus to the spoon. Here it is. Okay, so I can't really grab focus. Cancel tracking. So, great. I'm gonna eat that. Anyway, I'll show you again. So this is an apple, I'm gonna bite into it. In the middle, it's usually soft. You can squeeze it using your finger and it kind of mush. Since I've now told you how good it tastes, let's hop into making it. I'm Joseph from the future. Currently I'm trying to edit the video right now, and I'm watching a Gurnek And Jas video. Go subscribe to Gurnek And Jas. Find the link in the description. This will be a two-part series, as I want to get the video out as fast as possible for viewers to beat Gurnek And Jas. I told them to subscribe to Gurnek And Jas, but they're already surpassing me. Their content is mainly kids and brother content, and I really focus on food and some other crap. Next video, we'll be focusing on some things I call, wait, can I pan this camera? Things I call the typewriter and the microscope. That'll be my next video, coming after the episode 2 of Noob Cooking, making apple crumble. Old technology, really fun.